cheap and easy? That's my kind of craft. Hey, Mom! This is a tutorial on how to make a Floral Deco Mesh Valentine's Day heart wreath. It's a really fast craft and it's very cheap. I didn't have a heart-shaped frame reform, so I just got this dollar decoration from the dollar store, and you see I'm taking off all the tinsel from that to expose the grid that's underneath. By the way, if you like the transformation of this particular type of decoration, my mother and I did a video where we showed, I believe, like 6 or 7 different transformations. I'll link that in the video. Okay, back to this video. So now that we have the naked frame there, I cut the pipe cleaners into thirds just to save pipe cleaners, and I'm attaching them by twisting them at the junctions. Okay, so once that's done, and I think I had 35 pipe cleaners there, I used a full roll of Deco Mesh. I just bought this at Walmart for $3 something cents. So this is a very cheap project as well. For the effect that you get, it doesn't really cost that much money. And I'm just twisting, bunching it up, and then twisting the pipe cleaner around the Deco Mesh. You can see that the wreath is starting to take form, and it's just so quick and easy. Alright, so it's almost finished here, and I think I do flip it over so you'll be able to see how it looks from the back. It actually worked pretty perfectly. It was a full roll that I used. Okay, you can see right there the back of it. And as you see, it's very neat with the red pipe cleaners there. So here I'm just giving all the Deco Mesh a little zhuzh. You just want to separate it and make it look as full as possible. Try to cover it so you can't see any of the reform underneath, and shape it so it looks like a heart. I'm using these flowers. Some are from the dollar store, some are from Walmart. I got them from Walmart. Trust me, they were on sale. And I'm just using wire cutters here to push the leaves up close to the flowers, and I'm just cutting them into little pieces that I could then hot glue into the gaps of the Deco Mesh. So what I'm doing here really, the way that the pattern developed, because it is kind of like a little bit of a stripy pattern, I was covering up where I could see the wreath form underneath, or I thought it wasn't as full as I wanted it. And I decided to go with a pink and purple kind of spring flower theme here. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I hope that you did enjoy this craft. If you did, please like the video and feel free to share it. Subscribe to Hey Maaa for more simple crafts like this that anyone can do, because as we always say, if we can do it, so can you. Hope to see you next time. Bye.